What if I told you these dried coconut husks, yes, the ones you'd normally toss, could turn into a super creative home garden for this crazy vine, the Chayote? Stay with me, because by the end you'll never throw away a dried coconut again. We're about to take this ordinary kitchen waste, show you a step-by-step DIY hack, show you how we got Chayote soaring through coconut husks and growing like crazy, and then I'll reveal a bonus trick that gets you twice the yield. Let's dive. I'm just a student gardener, trying to make the most of what I have. Small space, low budget. So when I discovered using dried coconuts for a vine like the Chayote, it hit me. This is smart, sustainable, and fun. If you've got dried coconuts, or you toss them now, you're about to see why that changes. Okay, here's what you'll need. A dried coconut shell, or husk, cleaned out. A healthy chayote seed or shoot, if you've got one. Some good potting mix or compost. A sturdy support, a stake or small trellis, because chayote climbs. Basic watering and sunlight access. Now watch, I'll show you how we set it up step by step. We crack open the dried coconut, remove inner husk if needed, and clean the shell. We want a little boat for our plant. Drill or punch a drainage hole at the bottom so it won't waterlog. Fill with a lightweight potting mix or compost. I used a mix 50% compost, plus 50% perlite for drainage. Plant your chayote seed shoot so the vine has room to spread. Make sure the shoulder of the chayote, if you're using the fruit seed, is partially above soil. That helps sprouting. Position a stake or small trellis right behind the coconut shell, so as it grows, the vine can climb up. Finally, place it in a bright spot with good indirect sunlight. Water lightly. Keep the mix moist but not soggy. Here's where the magic happens. Within a week you'll start seeing roots down the shell, the shoot will emerge. After 2-3 weeks you'll have a climbing vine. The top of the coconut acts like a raised bed. The vine grows out, the shell retains moisture. You get a tidy, creative container garden that wastes nothing. And importantly, when the vine produces, you're up high, off the ground, less diseased, less pest attacked. Now, this kijker mijn geneverin swim. This is where you get twice the yield. If you split the dried coconut shell in half and create 2 pods side by side, you can train 2 vines from 1 shell base. That means 2 chayote plants climbing, doubling your harvest without doubling space. I challenge you. Set up 2 halves, name them Team A and Team B, see which one grows faster. Also, feed once every 3 to 4 weeks with diluted compost tea or mild liquid fertilizer. That extra nutrient boost gives you fat fruit. Common issues. If the coconut dries out too much, the plant will suffer. Keep the shell slightly damp. If you see yellowing leaves, maybe too much water or poor drainage, make sure that hole's working. If vine doesn't climb, guide it gently up the stake every few days, until it grips. And yes, you can do this indoors near a bright window, or outdoors in partial shade, if you're in a hot climate. Look at this vine. Coming out of this coconut shell like a green waterfall, fruit forming already, and all from something I used to dump. Imagine your yard or balcony, wasted coconut shells turned into mini vertical gardens. Plus, it's fun, people will notice. You'll get comments, you'll feel clever. If you're going to try this, do it right now. Grab that dried coconut, make your setup, film your progress. I want you to comment down below, what's your coconut garden going to grow? Chayote? Something else? I'll pick the best comment in next week's video and feature it. So, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. And if you like this hack, smash that like button. Share this with a friend who throws away coconuts because they need this idea. Thanks for watching, and remember, never throw away a dried coconut again. Let's get growing. I'll catch you next time for another mind-blowing garden hack. Until then, stay curious, get your hands dirty, and grow like crazy.